All right, so today what I'm working on is securing the side skirts onto the car. So ever since I bought the car, side skirts have been peeling away like such. The front of the clip is still held in place, as well as the back of the car. I just completed the driver's side, the left side of the car, and I've searched and I've Googled everything that I can think of to find a way to do this. And I just kind of got lucky with the other side because I peeled it back and then I was able to kind of look at how the fasteners work. So let me get you guys in there, okay? So that is the clip that stays inside of the body of the vehicle here, okay? So that little notch right there, all right, is gonna slide in here, okay? And the railing right here where my finger is gonna clip onto here, okay? All right, guys, I apologize. I'm gonna be entirely in the way because there's just limited workspace. But let me pan you guys over to right about here, okay? So we're right at midway point, all right? So what you wanna do is basically make sure that those white clips that we saw, you wanna make sure that they are parallel with the body of the car to the best of your ability, okay? Because don't forget, the railing of the rockers needs to clip into it, all right? So you're just gonna, it's gonna sound like I'm gonna do something crazy, but you're just gonna hold it tight, okay? Just like that. Super, super easy to do, all right? And then, like I said, just work your way around the car, do the exact same thing, all right? So. All right, guys, congratulations. You've made your way into the back of the car, but I apologize. I have to tell you that this is the toughest part of the job because of the door and the B-pillar killing all of that working space that you have, okay? So I couldn't really get a ton of leverage with my arms. So I'm going to fast forward throughout the whole process so then that way you guys can see me struggling. All right, guys, welcome back. I was able to get the B-pillar. Okay, let's start again. I was able to get the clip closest to the B-pillar in, but I happened to inadvertently break the clip that was here, okay? So this is what it looks like. It sits like such, okay, in the car. So let's see if it'll actually, there you go. So the little tab on this side skirt goes right there, and then these railings sit right here, okay? So that's why it's really hard to get into it. I'm gonna leave this right here open so then that way I can order another clip and then put that. All right, so doing a quick search brought me to part number 210-997-0033. Don't worry, I'll add it to the description of the video, but this is coming directly from FCP Euro, and it's $1.19 each, so I'm just gonna buy a dozen of them, and then that way I can have some extras. Lifetime warranty. If you have never heard of FCP Euro, if you have a European vehicle, you have to check them out, okay? Definitely a plus to keep your vehicle on the road.